On the night of April 29 and 30, the Indian Army responded decisively to unprovoked small arms fire by the Pakistan Army across the line of control. The incidents took place in the Naushera, Sundarbani, and Akhnur sectors of Jammu and Kashmir. According to official reports, Indian troops acted swiftly and with precision. This marks the sixth straight day of strong Indian responses following similar provocations beginning on the night of April 25. Tensions along the line of control continue to escalate, as security forces ramp up anti-terror operations in Kashmir. These measures come in the wake of the deadly Pahalgam terror attack on April 22, which claimed the lives of 26 people. Amid the rising tension, Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a high-level security meeting on Tuesday. In attendance were Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, Chief of Defense Staff General Anil Chauhan, the three service chiefs, and National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. The meeting followed an earlier session of the Cabinet Committee on Security, convened on April 23 after the attack on tourists in Pahalgam. Government sources revealed that Prime Minister Modi reiterated India's firm resolve to crush terrorism. He expressed full confidence in the Indian armed forces, stating they have complete operational freedom to determine how, when, and where to respond.
थोड़ा पीछे आना।